Hello everyone! Today we're heading to Doubtful Sound in Fiordlands National Park, and I have no doubt this is going to be an incredible next couple of days. Most people think of Milford Sound, which is a larger, more easily accessible to the public portion of the Fiordlands National Park, but we're going to go the extra mile to learn all about this unique location hands-on. This ferry is taking us across Lake Manapuri, where we're going to get on a bus to drive over the Wilmot Pass through the mountains and the thick rainforest. Now, Doubtful Sound is known for its sound of silence. It is an extremely remote area of the Fiordlands, and we're a few of the lucky guests who get to experience this silence for more than just a quick day trip.
Manapuri town, our Doubtful Sound, all part of South of Rivendell, flight to the fort. Every time we come through, our beach crews are all well behaved. We don't know what time of the day that they walk and talk and throw rocks.
We're staying here in Deep Cove, which is an educational facility with dorm-style housing, and my favorite part about being here was getting to be unplugged with no Wi-Fi, no access to any internet, and totally immersed in the nature of this isolated area and the content that we were learning. I mean, I'm just so grateful to be here, and I think the views just speak for themselves. It's absolutely stunning. So this bell is a really cute tradition at Deep Cove, and you ring it anytime you do something new or for the first time. We all just plunged into the Fiordlands for our first time, so obviously we had to ring it.
Uh-oh, it's on video.
I don't need it. Go.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Oh my god! Bruh.
I don't know how to blur faces. She's widowy hitting the gwitty right now.
Being here feels like summer camp. We've all been laughing, playing card games, swimming, eating good food, and really just getting to know each other on a different level. And all these wekas are walking around, and they're so adorable. I just love it here so much.
I love you. Hi. I love you. Oh my gosh. I love you.
Hi guys, it's really cold, but here's the view of Fiordlands National Park in New Zealand. Okay, it's way colder than yesterday, but I'm gonna go under. So this is my dunk. Oh my god, the rocks hurt my feet. Okay, I just need to
Going.
I just going. Okay. It's fine. Okay, I think I'm better now.
Okay. Should we come back? Yeah.